So in my last video, I talked to you about the potential of coming up on a short squeeze and then breaking this trend line, and then the market could come down as I said in the previous video. And you can see that whatever I said has exactly happened. Bitcoin actually went up to the trend line and it gave a fake out over here, and it went till 98,200 and then it came down. And currently, as of now, as we are speaking, this market is crashing. Bitcoin is crashing, and you can see it clearly. And one more thing is that in the whale scalper chat that I opened yesterday only, I gave a short trade in Sol around $235, and I also put a warning sign for Bitcoin also. Let me tell you where I mentioned that in the in that post. There is, yeah, there should be I also mentioned about this. Yeah, this is the one. BTC looking weak in 4 hour or 1 hour, so keep stables aside for some dip buying. So this is the chart pattern when Bitcoin didn't even break the trend line, and I told you that BTC is looking weak. So what can happen next in the market right now? As of now, Bitcoin has come down to 94,700, and I put the warning beforehand in my previous video. The day before the previous video, everything was told in to you. And what I am looking at in Bitcoin, the levels that I am looking at is this level over here for a bounce, 93,700 to 93,800 for a quick scalping bounce, and this would be my area of interest over here. If price comes down to that level, I will be I will be longing the market there, and then take out my profit around 94,800, and then just sit aside and clearly watch the market. So this is a clear cut bearish setup, and this pattern exactly played out when we were trading around $73,000, and then we came down. Then we actually formed a range, and this is a new range for Bitcoin, and we might spend some time here only in this market. So what I would need is that after this 4 hour closes, I would short the market, and my target would be around 93,600, where I would just take some profits out and let that short run and keep stop loss in that. And the next thing I would do is go into the smaller time frame like 15 minutes and place a long order there. Okay, so after that will be a long side trade. Since then, you can see that the 1 hour has clearly closed, and yeah, this is the new candle opening, and this is the 4 hour new candle opening is about to be in. Yeah, 2 hours just closed, and this candle is not looking super healthy, and I'm very bearish on this. Okay, so I also told you about the Ethereum prediction in that video only, and what I told, the levels exactly came. Let me just show you what I talked about in Ethereum. I talked about going to the order block of around $3,700, and we went actually up from that. This was the order block. This is the box that I mentioned in the last video, but we went up from that, and your short opportunity was the retest of this area. Let me explain how. This was a clear cut short opportunity. This box was broken, and then we got a clear cut theoretical retest of that zone, and then boom, this was the good area to build a short in Ethereum. So these charts, where you will get these charts for free on my Telegram channel, and my Telegram is absolutely free for everyone, and you can just join that. Whereas I also opened a whale scalpers chat group where you can just join it. If you have a portfolio of around $5,000 or more, you can just join the whale scalper chat group, and there I will be mentoring you on futures trading or scalp trading levels and how to find them. You can simply join that by filling out this form also, and in that form you have to put your Telegram username like this, and then you have to put your Blofin ID. You have to sign up to Blofin using the link in the description of this video. This is only this is the only mandatory criteria to join that whale scalper groups. Nothing extra more than that. Okay, so this market is looking like this is a dead cat bounce, and this could again give you another short entry. And what I am looking for to flip bullish on this chart is a 50% retracement up until $3,400 or up until golden pocket level, and this golden pocket level is sitting around $3,300, and this would clearly set up our support over here also. So this is good. In Ethereum, the long levels are $3,400 or $3,300. These two areas are good for a bounce. The first level would also be a good area to bounce in Ethereum. So yeah, let's just look at the liquidity. The liquidity is looking like super hot right now, and we have clearly approached the level 94,682, where most of the liquidity liquidity is sitting over here, and this is the long side liquidity. That means many of the longs will be liquidated when price reaches this level over here. So $190 million of liquidation delta over here. So this is a very important, and this is why, guys, I warned you. This is why you need to watch this video. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel, because no one else will tell you, no one else will make a video about it so sure, so confident on it. So I would just request you to join the whale scalper groups also, and this is this is gonna be very only group that you need to join in entire crypto industry. So yeah, let's that was my update. And in Ethereum, in Bitcoin, I'm super bearish at the moment, but I will flip bullish when Ethereum catches above 3670 and gives a clear cut 4-hour closing. And in BTC, what will give break my invalidation of short side idea would be a break above 97,300. So these are the areas that I am looking for. So we need to get a clear cut 4-hour closing above 97,300 for any bullish side setup. Until then, everything is bearish, everything is mega bearish. This 4-hour candle is also super bearish, and I'm just targeting 93,500 for now, but what I'm expecting is 91,000 to $87,000 mark, where most of the liquidity is sitting at. So yeah, that was my update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Make sure you join the Telegram channel, make sure you subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.